Hello! Today I would like to teach you basic skill how to replace European/French plug on small appliance like this desk lamp. This video not is dedicated to anyone who've got already like a technical skills, but is to someone who've got absolutely nothing, who was not taught by their parents, and they would like to perform like a simple operation by themselves. So this is going to be for beginner friendly. First, we are going to be taking a look at our wire that is coming out from the desk lamp. And as you can see, we've got only two conductors. And this is telling us that this is non-polarized device and it is double class insulation. So it do not require the earth connector. And for those type of devices, you are going to be using plugs that are looking like this. They do not have the third ground connector. And as you can see here, it is dedicated for accepting this standard common flat wire. So this is the plug to go. The first step, we are going to be opening it and taking a peek inside how this plug is being constructed and how long our wire need to be. When you would like to do it, if your plug, for example, is damaged, or if you've got like a UK plug and you would like to rewire it for European one, then you can do it also. Here is our socket conductors. We've got our screws for attaching and grabbing the wire. As you can see here, we've got those holes. Here we've got element that we have to not forget. This go like this. This is a strain relief. Our wire insulation is going to be grabbed here, and this will prevent it from yanking. So we need to grab, for example, I would say that kind of amount of insulation out. The easiest way to do it is using X-Acto knife, and we are going to be trying to go into center, and we are just sliding it like this. And now we are removing the insulation, and we are taking a look, did we made a good job by not cutting the insulation. As you can see, I fit our blade perfectly into the center and not damage anything. This is exactly what you would like to see. Now we are going to be cutting the excess of the insulation, just like that. Now we need to remove the insulation. You could use professional tool like this, but pliers like this will do the job. This go into how well you are trained. You are making a slight cut and you are going like this. And as you can see, we nicely remove it. You can take a look here and see that you didn't have any strain inside. If you cut these strains, then you definitely need to redo it. And here, this is just a practice. As you can see, we nailed it without any special tools. Now we go to the most critical part, because a lot of people will put our wire like this and screw it down. This is absolutely the worst thing that you can do, because when you are going to be screwing this screw in, you are going to be piercing those strains and you will cut this wire and damage the cable. So absolutely you don't do it. If you are professional, you would like to use ferrules like this that are going to be crimped, and then you've got a very nice point that is going to be mating with our screw. But we are going to be working with limited resources, and if you do not have crimper, the best investment for your beginner slab is going to be a soldering iron, and that's because it will allow you to do a lot of repairs, when in reality the crimper is going to be used just for a one job. So as you can see, we nicely we've got those strands connected together, I twist them. Then we are clearing our tip, and we are going to be adding a little bit of solder to make it tough and not damage during our operation of screwing it down, just like that. And as you can see, it is looking absolutely amazing. And now this screw got a hard surface to go in, to bite. We are inserting it, just like that. And we are screwing it down. Not too much, not too low pressure. Very nicely beaten down. We go like this. And to my eye, that looks perfectly fine. We could technically clean that up and put it a little bit deeper. Yeah, we go like this. Just take a look how beautiful it's presenting. This is non-polarized plug. Sometimes you will see marking even on those when should be neutral, and the live should go to the brown, blue to the neutral, but it do not make any sense. Then we are undoing the hook for our cable. We go like this. We nicely insert it like this. We go like that. You try to pull it, and as you can see, those are not moving. We go like this. We close it down, but of course, this is something that we are do at the first element because we will forget it. Strain relief goes here. Now we are closing it down. Screwing. Just like that. Take a look at this. We are grabbing our AC socket. We are activating it. And as you can see, our lamp is glowing. So this is how simple it is to swap your plug at home without any special tools. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.